It'll grab it.
So the robot that we built is set up to laminate business cards, and that was a unique twist that we threw in to kind of create the storyline for what this project was going to be. It's because it went to a packaging expo in Las Vegas, and so the cute factor was we were going to package people's business cards into luggage tags, and the fact that they're traveling, they get to have their luggage tag to put on their bag to go home.
A lot of the challenges we faced was from the students' end, not really having the material skills of like how to work with some of the exotic materials that they brought in. Once we learned it and got it down, the process got a lot easier.
Chris Noble is a gentleman who works for Belden. I had met him originally on a field trip, donated about $40,000 worth of pneumatics equipment the previous summer, and now this past summer with this project and the funding that came with the project, the grant money that we received, helps us so much.
This experience is something that I never thought would have came in high school or even in college. To work with a company for something that's actually like a real world application, something that's actually used in the world, is an amazing opportunity that doesn't come often.
A lot of the stuff that we have here in our makerspace, I tell the kids, you don't know when you're going to see this again or get a chance to use it again. So when opportunity presents itself like this, you just got to grasp it and go with it, right? Because you never get a shot, or you never know if you're going to get a shot to come back and try something like this.